Hey, pancake lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of America's favorite breakfast treats, buttermilk pancakes. Stick around as we uncover unknown facts about this fluffy, delicious dish. Let's get started. Let's start with the origins and history of buttermilk pancakes. Buttermilk pancakes have roots in colonial America, where they were made with simple ingredients available to settlers. The earliest recorded pancake recipes in America date back to the 1700s. Pancakes were a staple food for pioneers traveling westward. Originally, sour milk or vinegar mixed with milk was used before buttermilk became common. Pancakes gained immense popularity during the Great Depression due to their affordability. Buttermilk reacts with baking soda to create fluffy pancakes. Using room temperature eggs helps achieve a better batter consistency. Both baking powder and baking soda are used for leavening. All-purpose flour is the most common type used, but some recipes call for cake flour. Adding melted butter to the batter enhances flavor and texture. Over-mixing the batter can make pancakes tough. A few lumps are okay. Letting the batter rest for a few minutes can improve texture. The griddle should be medium-high, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. The first pancake often acts as a test for griddle temperature. Flip the pancake when bubbles form and the edges look set. Use a gentle wrist action to flip pancakes without splattering. Pressing down on pancakes with a spatula can make them dense. There are endless variations and delicious additions to buttermilk pancakes. Blueberries, bananas, and strawberries are popular additions. Chocolate chips can be added to the batter for a sweet treat. Walnuts, pecans, and spices like cinnamon can add extra flavor. Bacon bits or cheese can create a savory version. Using whole wheat flour can make pancakes healthier. Almond milk or coconut milk can be used as a buttermilk substitute. Gluten-free flour blends can be used for those with dietary restrictions. Pancake Day, also known as Shrove Tuesday, is celebrated by eating pancakes before Lent. In the UK, pancake races involve running while flipping pancakes in a frying pan. Buttermilk pancakes are a staple menu item in American diners. The first pancake mix, Aunt Jemima, was introduced in 1889. Pancake art, where batter is used to create designs, has become a popular trend. The largest pancake ever made was over 49 feet in diameter. National Pancake Day is celebrated annually in the United States. Pancake cereal, mini pancakes served in a bowl with milk, became a viral trend. Buttermilk pancakes aren't just delicious. They also have some nutritional benefits. Pancakes provide a good source of protein. especially when topped with nuts or Greek yogurt. Buttermilk is rich in probiotics, which can aid digestion. The carbohydrates in pancakes offer a quick energy boost. Adding fruits like berries can increase the vitamin content. Here are some fun and unique facts about buttermilk pancakes that you might not know. The highest pancake stack ever recorded was over 3 feet tall. Pancakes are among the top preferred breakfast items in the U.S. Genuine maple syrup, often served with pancakes, comes from the sap of maple trees. The record for the most pancake flips in 1 minute is 140 flips. Pancake parties, where pancakes are the main event, have become popular social gatherings. Ancient Greeks and Romans enjoyed pancakes sweetened with honey. Mini pancake cereal became a popular food trend in 2020. Also known as Shrove Tuesday, this day is celebrated by eating pancakes before Lent. Creating art with pancake batter has become a viral trend on social media. Different regions in the U.S. have their own unique takes on pancakes. Competitive pancake eating contests are held in various parts of the world. The typical serving size in many restaurants is a stack of 5 pancakes. Pancakes are a popular choice for breakfast for dinner meals, showing their versatility. So, there you have it. Unknown facts about American buttermilk pancakes. Whether you enjoy them for breakfast, brunch, or dinner, these fluffy delights are sure to bring a smile to your face. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.